here we are in Johnson Valley, California, the home of the king of the hammers. Today we're gonna take it easy a little bit, have some breakfast, and then we're gonna hit the trails and do some photos and hang out. And then I think tonight is gonna be a night run on Chocolate Thunder, which I'm really looking forward to. Let's get the day going. I'll tune back with you guys later. See ya. Gonna do a little mandatory bolt check on Jeep stomach, Jeep face before we're gonna hit the trails here. Turns out quite some stuff was loose, rattled loose throughout the last 5 days of four-wheeling and dirt roads. So yeah, glad we're not losing parts on the trail. Gerald Lee with Savvy Off-Road was so gracious and hosted us here in his shop right in the middle of nowhere, completely self-sufficient. Super cool place. Alright, it is nighttime here at Johnson Valley, aka the King of the Hammers. We're getting ready right now to run Chocolate Thunder. Can't wait, should be an interesting evening. Mr. Andrew Bailey, are you ready? Are you ready to go wheeling?
No sleep till Chocolate Thunder! We are on Chocolate Thunder.
It's pronounced chocolat.
Chocolat!
Thunder.
Front dig. Marvin. Here you go, stay in.
Good job, Kurt. You need to get them cleaned off a little bit.
Yep. There you go. Yep.
Come on, Kevin.
Yep. Pull the tire.
There you go. Drive up before you
He's good, Ian. He's good. Yep. Come on up, Kev. Yep. Yep. Come on. Keep going. Don't stop. There you go. You're through it, bro. Why you don't stand there?
Man, this is a blast. I really like this. Now we're talking. Here we are, day 6 of Trail de Sema. We just entered the trail called Sledge Hammer. Super gnarly canyon, big rocks, big boulders, all the good stuff. I love it, dude. Look at that. This is like Rattle Rock. That's the Hammer version of Rattle Rock.
This is the Hammer's version of Rattle Rock, exactly.
That's why we built Sema Jeeps, right?
Yes, that's why we built Sema Jeeps. Look at that path.
Oh my God! If you skip a beat there, you're majorly
You're gonna
fucked.
die. I like this so much. Jeeps will fall apart today. They will literally tear apart. It's gonna be great.
I like your shirt. Oh yeah,
My new favorite shirt. It's intense looking. I don't know how to describe it, but like this. We met Dave Cole, and he said, Sledge Hammer, if you break down, you need a helicopter. And I'm like, okay. You get here and look up that, it's like, we couldn't even hike up that. I mean, it's too steep to even hike up. Like, I would be scared to death if I tried to hike up that. Oh, man. Woo! Go, go, go.
all the way over here. Now roll through it.
Mega quadruple razor wins again. There you go. Yeah. Ah. Yep. 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 Oh. Woo. Hey, back up and get a little bit. Hey, just a little bit further, driver. Right there. You got it. Straighten it up, Ian. There you go. Yep. Fucking incredible driving, dude. Oh! No traction. Try backing up. Tell me about what just happened.
Got stuck between a rock and a hard place.
Oh man,
Drives me up the wall, right?
dude.
We just came out of Sledge Hammer. The most part is over for now. We made it all the way through. I had to winch one time. Well, but that's a good trail ride, right? What do you guys think?
Think about the trail.
I'm gonna go with an
Yes.
8.5 to a 9.
I say a 9.
A
I would
9?
say
I
this
think
is-
a 9
don't think
too.
it's a 10.
I think that it could be a 10, but I'm trying to think of a trail that I've done that's harder. I've done other trails that are at least as hard, but I don't know if I've done a trail that's harder.
Oh, best trail so far of Trail to Sema. Yes. I mean, like, you can look down in that valley, and that's the Valley of the Devil. Yeah.
Alright guys, that was it for today. Stay tuned for the next episode, the grand finale of Trail to Sema 2019. Everything comes to an end in the next episode. We are arriving in Las Vegas and our 2-month trip continues on and on and on. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so we can grow this channel, and I see you next time. Bye bye.
You didn't look badass though. If you'd have launched it, it would have looked totally badass.